खुदा हाफिज।
थैंक यू वेरी मच शाहिद रजा खान साहब, आपने अपनी सक्सेस जर्नी बताया। सेल्फ मेड मैन शाहिद रजा खान। और अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर साहब से गुजारिश करता हूं कि रजनीकांत जो शाहीन के स्टूडेंट रहे हैं, KAS हैं, बागलकोट में असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर हैं, उनकी शाल ओढ़ा के गुलपोशी करें। मैं डॉक्टर रजनीकांत साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आए और हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेट करें।
Good evening, all of you. Respected dignitaries, guest, chairman of Shine Group of Institutions, Khadi sir, honorable guest, IAS officer, Shabid Raza sir, and all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Myself, Rajnikant Chauhan, presently working as Assistant Commissioner in the Revenue Department, KAS, Karnataka Administrative Service 2015 batch in the Bagalkot. I am from Bidar district only, Bhalki Taluka. I born in such a very small village. It is called Tanda. It's a non-revenue village. Only 7 hamlets are there. Only 7 homes are there. During my time, when I was going to school, there was no proper road connectivity from my home to school. There was no proper transportation facility. There was no proper electricity facility was there that time, not now. Now government has been provided all kind of facility. Born in such a small village, in a poor family. My father is a farmer. I was born with a dream of becoming IAS and KAS officer. From 1st to 4th standard, I studied in a government school. I was good in studies. Then my grandfather said, "You won't fit here. You are something else. You are something else. How to get admission in some other institutes?" Then I took admission in the Gurukul. It is in Bhalki Taluka. Very interesting story I would like to share with you. My mother tongue is Lambani, non-script language. When I took admission in the Gurukul, I was not able to read properly. I was not able to speak properly in Kannada. There is a lot of miscommunication. If you know the language, you can communicate properly. You can interpret it properly. Then every day teachers has to beat me. मैं डेली मेरे स्कूल के सामने मुर्गा बनता था. This is a real fact I am sharing you. I don't want to give example of any great personality. I would share my life experience. At the end you will get to know. Daily, क्यों पता है? मैंने स्कोर कम होती थी मेरे सब्जेक्ट वाइज। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्नड़ा बात करने के लिए नहीं आता था। अरे यार, मैं सोचा ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे लाइफ में, और मैं वहां से घर को 2-3 बार भाग के चले गया था। आई वॉज नॉट एडजस्टेड विद दैट एनवायरमेंट। क्यों बोले तो घर पे सबको छोड़ के रहना पड़ता है, ऊपर से बात नहीं आती है, पढ़ाई में अच्छा नहीं था। तो व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड क्लासेस, आई स्टार्टेड अटेंडिंग क्लासेस रेगुलरली विथ फुल ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन, और जो भी डाउट है क्लास में ही पूछता था, और क्लास कंप्लीट होने के बाद इवनिंग में होमवर्क करते थे। एक सुधा मैडम थी, अभी भी उनको गुरु मानता हूँ और मरने तक भी गुरु मानता हूँ। रात 12 बजे तक मैडम क्या बोलते थे पता है? आप मुझे हिंदी सिखाओ, मराठी सिखाओ, मैं आपको कन्नड़ा में मतलब बात करना सिखाऊंगी। 6 months हमने ये एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, एवरी डे डेली टिल 12 o'clock। और आई वॉज बैड इन राइटिंग, कन्नड़ा, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी, 3 लैंग्वेज में ही। तो नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। एक बार हमने मतलब इफ आई डिसाइडेड then we can do it, because everything in our hand only. This body in our control, this mind is in our control. If you control, if you have proper remote in your hand, no, you can train like anything. Then अच्छा पढ़ाई किया, 3 लैंग्वेज में रेटिंग सही हुआ। Then at the end of the class in the 5th standard I got 3rd rank. Then तब से मेरे लाइफ का मजा पता चल गया। Then 6th standard onwards I was a topper, 1st rank, 2nd rank. Then I joined scouts and NCC also. Then I was good in sports. I represented sports at the state level also. और कुछ क्विज भी नेशनल लेवल पे मैंने अटेंड किया है। I got 91% in the 10th standard. My parents not able to pay the fee, तो मेरा रिजल्ट देख के ही मुझे 70%, 75% कंसेशन कर दिए थे गुरुकुल में। तो मैंने डिसाइड किया, 10th हो गया। I completed my SSLC with good results. I got आपको बोल रहा था ना, मैंने कन्नड़ा बात भी नहीं आती थी, कन्नड़ा अच्छा लिखने के लिए। I got out of 125, 124 marks. I was a district topper. उस टाइम पे I have represented national science quiz and I got 8th rank in that also. मैंने शाइन का नाम सुना बाद में। देन गुरुकुल से एडमिशन, मेरे टीसी नहीं दे रहे थे गुरुकुल से। यू आर ए गुड स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ आवर कॉलेज, यू हैव मेड गुरुकुल वेरी प्राउड। देन मैंने बोला मुझे नदी का ये नहीं बनना है, मुझे समुंदर में ये करना है, तैरना है। अभी नदिया में तैरना मैंने नदिया में तैरना सीख चुका हूं, मुझे अब समुंदर में तैरना है। मेरे हौसले, मेरे बुलंदे बड़े हो गए। देन खदी सर से मुलाकात हुई, सर भी हेल्प किए, और मैंने गुरुकुल से एक ही बात बताया था, कहां भी जाऊंगा गुरुकुल का नाम रहेगा और शाइन का नाम रहेगा। और सर ने मुझे एडमिशन लिए, और सर फॉर एडमिशन फ्री एडमिशन ले लिया मुझे 2 साल के लिए। इन फर्स्ट ईयर आल्सो आई स्टडीड वेल। I got, I think in the first year 3rd or 4th rank. In second year I got maybe 3rd or 4th rank, but actually overall result was 88% I got. In PCM 97%, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and chemistry I got chemistry and physics. In the district I was a topper, 98 and 99. Then I have been selected in the topmost college in Karnataka, RV College Engineering Staff. I have been selected for the topmost BMC Medical College also. Even I would have been getting this thing, I wrote JEE exam also. I was getting Suratkal. But that time, Ashwagupta sir was DC in the Bidar. Then Khadi sir, if some great personality will come, no, then Khadi sir is uniting me to his office and motivate करते थे और उनकी मुलाकात होती थी. तभी हमारे हौसले बड़े होने लगे. हमें कुछ बड़ा बनना है बियॉन्ड इंजीनियरिंग एंड मेडिकल. तो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया तभी मुझे IAS है KAS ही बनना है. तो हमें रंग मंदिर में Ashwagupta sir motivational speech देते थे. You have been motivated by him because he was one of the greatest administrator of this India, we can say, because during his period lot of changes has made in the education sector, tourism sector and health sector in Bidar district. So I am great motivated by the Ashwagupta, DC Ashwagupta sir. After PUC, sir, actually sir was forcing me to do medical, but I requested, sir, मुझे फ्री छोड़ो सर, मुझे फ्री घूमना बहुत पसंद है, मुझे लाइफ में कुछ और बनना है, मुझे भूख है बहुत. इंसान को भूख रहना चाहिए, खाने की भूख नहीं, इंसान को जिंदगी में कुछ बनने की भूख रहनी चाहिए. And till now, what decisions I took in my life, very bold decisions, and I stood by it. I usually used to take guidance of my seniors, my guider. Ultimately, I have to finalize, and I have finalized also. Then मैंने सर को बोला, सर मुझे खाली डॉक्टर से मुझे सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं होगा मेरे लाइफ में. तो I grown up in such a family. I have seen many hurdles in the society. बहुत गरीब लोग थे, injustice with the poor people. मैंने सोचा इनको कुछ हेल्प करना है. I have to contribute something from my side to the society and to the nation. तो मुझे क्या करना है? What can I do? What can I do? I can't become a political leader, but I thought God has given power, brain, तो I have to study. मुझे स्टडी करना है, मुझे स्टडी करके IAS KAS ऑफिसर बनना है. I will become a district officers. I can bring a lot of change in the society. मैंने तभी डिसाइड किया है. In my blood, the WBC and RBC has like KAS and IAS. Then I took admission in the RV College Engineering. When I was in final year, I decided to take coaching in the IAS coaching institutes. When I was in 7th semester only, I was going to the classes in that busy schedule also on Saturday, Sunday. I completed my degree in 2014. That year only KAS notification has been made. In the next year only I cleared KAS. I was the youngest officer in whole Karnataka. That time in KAS 2014 batch, I was assistant director of tourism department. It is a district level post. I was not satisfied with this. Again I wrote KAS. Again I cleared prelims, mains and interview. I got 34 rank in the state. In the non-HK, I got selected as assistant commissioner in the revenue department. This is the top post department in the KAS exam. Why I am saying all this? In life, this is a right age. You have to decide you are like in which field you are interested. That is what I cleared KAS 2 times very early age. Why? My plans are very clear. My timetable was very clear. You don't believe, I was not wasting a single minute also when I was preparing. Every day minimum 10 to 12 hours I was preparing for the civil services. Even I have given IAS also 2 attempts I have given. In 2015 once I have cleared prelims. but not able to clear mains. Next year, I have joined in duty. I wasn't focused much on the preparation. I joined in duty, so I was busy in the work. Many people told me, sir, you are not suitable for this post, assistant director tourism department. You are something else. When I worked in tourism department in Yadgiri, you don't suit to this post, sir. Your personality, at least you have to become assistant commissioner, DYSP. If you become a IAPS, IAS, this is well and good, sir. Because how did a lot of changes in the Yadgiri district. I will tell you later on. मेरा पढ़ाई when I was in 10th जब स्कूल में ही था, इवन पीयूसी में ही, और मेरा सिविल सर्विस प्रिपरेशन करना था ना, तभी मेरा टाइम टेबल वेरी प्लान वाइज था. इन द मॉर्निंग वी यूज्ड टू वेक अप वेरी अर्ली, वी यूज्ड टू डू एक्सरसाइज हाफ एन आवर, देन वी वर गेटिंग 2 hours इन द मॉर्निंग. मॉर्निंग पीरियड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू विल बी वेरी पीस इन द मॉर्निंग. इफ यू स्टडी 2 hours, that equivalent to the 4 hours study in the night. Then we were attending the classes, because in the class physically presence is not important, mentally you should be there. If you study, if you attend the class with full of concentration, more than 50% your preparation will be done in the class only. Then you come, do the homework. If you have any doubt, discuss with your friends, डिस्कस विथ योर टीचर्स. जिस दिन का काम है उस दिन ही कंप्लीट करना चाहिए. डोंट कीप फॉर पेंडिंग, अरे यार कल पढ़ाई कर लेंगे. बट वन मोर थिंग, आप टाइम टेबल डाल लो. यू हैव टू राइट इन द A4 शीट, मेक ए प्रॉपर टाइम टेबल, स्टिक ऑन द दिस वॉल, एंड एवरी डे यू हैव टू check yourself, verify yourself, and before sleeping you have to do revision minimum 20 minutes. मैंने आज दिन में कौन सा क्लास था, क्या क्या पढ़ाई किया है. और वन मोर थिंग, rather than reading 100 times, writing 1 time is equal. तो you should, जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हो ना वो लिखना जरूरी चाहिए आपको. एटलीस्ट you are reading 100 words, write in 10 words in precise way. At the end, while doing revision, it will help you a lot. It will save your time, because this is a very important strategy. Nobody will tell you. I have applied in my life, I have succeeded. That is what I am telling you. It is not complex, it is very simple. It is left to you how we will manipulate, how we will make it proper timetable. Do revision every day. जो डे का प्लान अकॉर्डिंग टू पढ़ाई करके कंप्लीट करना चाहिए आपको. अब बिफोर एग्जाम जो रेटिंग लिखते हो ना, आपको रिवीजन के टाइम पहले बहुत हेल्प होगा, और आपका रेटिंग स्किल भी बढ़ेगा उससे. और आई थिंक ऑल आर SLC एंड PUC स्टूडेंट्स, हाई स्कूल आल्सो, बिकॉज आपको बोल रहा हूं, जो अब आगे IAS KS जो प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए NCERT इज अ बेस फॉर ऑल काइंड ऑफ एग्जाम्स. इसीलिए जो आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो ना, ये आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. दिस इज योर बेस. आपको बेस स्ट्रांग बड़ा करना चाहिए. हमने जो IAS KS एग्जाम लिखे है ना, 40% हैज बीन कवर्ड फ्रॉम द NCERT बुक्स. सो आपको अभी से अच्छा पढ़ाई करना चाहिए. इफ यू रीड प्रॉपरली, your 40% study has been completed now only. All kind of exams, state level exams, central, all kind of exams, all competitive exams. This is my preparation strategy for all of you. And I want to share all my work experience. मतलब if you become a civil servant, if you cleared KS and IAS exams, you will get respect in the society. Your parents will get respect in the society. Your family will recognize. Your village will be recognized. Your taluka will be recognized. Your district will be recognized. You will recognized by the whole state. If you cleared KS, if you cleared IAS, you will recognized by the whole India. to become a KS and IAS officer is the dreams of millions of young aspirants. Because nowadays there is a lot of competition is there. Don't mess with your life. आपको अभी डिसाइड करना है. This is the right age. In which field you are going to take admission? Either engineering या medical. After degree आपको क्या करना है? क्या केस करना है, IAS करना है? Because I am feeling so proud because being a case officer, you will in state wise, only 30 to 40 case officers will become among that much populations. 3 to 4 lakhs people will write. Ratio is very less. इसलिए आपको बोल रहा हूँ, it's very wonderful life. Because my Tanda, Biribi Tanda is recognized by the whole state. I have attended many interviews also state level. बहुत खुशी होती है यार. लाइफ में इससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए? What do you want more than this? You will achieve your goal. You will get respect in the society. Your family will be recognized, and you are getting great opportunity to do work in the society. Still, I worked 2.5 years in the Yadgiri. Still, people will recognize me. We have brought a lot of changes in the Yadgiri district. One KS coaching center has been opened in the Yadgiri district, and more than 500,000 aspirants went for the ISN coaching preparation, and some of them have been cleared. So